आलू के बिना जो खाए थाली उसकी जिंदगी है सबसे अधूरी, और जो खाए आलू थाली में आलू उसकी जिंदगी है सबसे प्यारी। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
Good morning.
My name is Piyush Anand and today is our presentation session. And do you guess my topic? Anyone?
Potato.
Yes, you guessed right. I'm talking about potato. And history of potato start from the northern side of our world. When the world was in 15th century, the vegetable named potato was originated in the Irish side, which is now currently which is Ireland. And after some time, in 1596, there was a famine, which is very harsh, and in this famine, so many poor people died due to the lack of potato in their field. And that time potato was very less in price and easily in their market. So at that time there were no vegetable to eat. For the scarcity of food, so many people died in Ireland in 1596. And the potato also contains starch and so many other nutrients and protein. If we talk about the benefits of potato, is there are so many reasons, but if we see about the starch make our digestive system very strong. And potatoes artificial and scientific name is I forgot, I think. And potato also available in so many shop in our area. And history of potato is very interesting, and it was originated in Peru and Bolivia recently, and that time its name was another. And potato is Greek name, and when Christopher Columbus go to discover America, he saw that there is a unique vegetable which name was potato. And at that time he saw a very unique vegetable named potato. And when he came from America, he spread this vegetable to European country and Asian country all over the world. And after that, in 1600, potato was famous in every country of the world, and it was spread very fastly in our Asia. And history of potato is started from Peru and Colombia, which is recently lies in the North America of this world. And there is potato grows in it doesn't need any type of so many water and other things. It can grow in our own climate. And in India there are so many states which also grow potato in very high amount. And price of potato in India is around 60 rupees per kg. And if we talk about recent price, I don't know. And the potato is not Indian vegetable. It came from American countries. And in American countries there are so many countries like Brazil and so many, North America and South America. After the returning of Christopher Columbus, he spread potato in all over the world. But firstly he spread it in European country, because in European country there were so many lack of food, so it can easily get, and the price was very low at that time. And now also the price of potato is very low, and potato can easily eaten by everyone by mixing it in any vegetable. And the potato was discovered by American whose name was Galford in 1596, and he discovered it in 1956. He saw that this is unique plant, and plant, and he started growing him in large amount and doing experiment on it. He made him eatable, and after that every people of Ireland were dependent on it in high amount. And in Ireland there were so many poor people and they cannot afford expensive vegetables, so they buy potato in less price. After that so many years ago they got a famine which was also known as Aral potato famine. In that famine of the scarcity of potato, so many people does not eat any food and die due to the lack of food. And after that it is also considered as most unique case of all over the world, and it is teaching by every school in the world. And potato's scientific name was I think I forgot it. Sorry. Potato is also available in the northern side of the world, and it is not eaten by the Russian peoples because in less amount it is eaten, because they thought this is a poisonous vegetable. And in past it was the rumor was that the potato is very poisonous, and so many people left it eating. And after that, when research started on it, they saw that there is no poison in it, and they started eating it. In India, we can see in every home potato is available, because potato is only one vegetable which is available in every climate and every season and every weather condition, and we can eat it in any time. And so many dishes are also made by potato, like the origin of French fries was in the beside of North America in 1852, and it was mistakenly originated, but after that it is very famous in all over the world, and recently it is eaten by everyone in the world. And we can make so many things from potato, and we can also make so many experiments from potato. If we cut potato, or if we grind potato and keep it in water, the stalk, which is also expensive in the market, we can easily get it after 2 to 3 hours. If we collect that stalk and keep it in beside, and if we punch it with so many force, it will react like hard surface. If we touch it very softly, it will feel like liquid, and it is originated of oblak. Oblak is such substance which is vice versa of everything. Like if we give force, it will react strongly, and if we touch very soft, it will react as liquid. And this is the advantage of potato, that we can see so many changes from it, and it is irreversible changes, which is also known as chemical change. And history of potato have so many parts. First was origin, second was the rumor of poisonous, and third was that it should grow in very less climate, like only in cold season. But there are so many techniques to store it, like cold homes where potatoes were kept, and also distributed in all over the market and in bulk. And potato, if we cut potato half and we keep it in sand for some days, it will start germinating, and the new plant of potato will will grown up, and after that, after 2 to 3 months, we can see a new potato, not only one but so many potatoes. And history of potato was very unique, and recently it is available all over the world, and every people like to eat it. Potato the price of potato is different in all over the world because of taxes, GDP, and so many things. It can be determined by their area of the country. And in India there is 60 rupees per kg of potato, and in other country it will be different, and it may different. And the history of potato is also from the beginning, and it will remain running. And we should eat potato, but not in high amount, in average amount. Thank you.